In this reaction, we have to calculate equivalent mass of sodium thiosulfate. I have written a reaction. It is given in redox reaction chapter. And calculate oxidation number of sulfur in reactant and product. In reactant side it is plus 2, product side it is plus 2.5. So change is 0.5. But there are 2 sulfur on reactant side. So I multiplied into 2. So total change 1. Equivalent mass equal to molar mass by 1. That is molar mass. Option A. In this question, metal carbonate undergo complete reaction with HCl. That means number of equivalents of metal carbonate equal to number of equivalents of HCl. We can calculate number of equivalents of HCl by multiplying its normality into volume in liter. That number of equivalents will be equal to given mass by equivalent mass of metal carbonate. Given mass of metal carbonate is 2. Number of equivalents 10 raised to minus 2. So we can calculate equivalent mass of metal carbonate 200. Option D. In this question, oxidation number of Fe increases from plus 2 to plus 3. So that change plus 1. And oxidation number of carbon increases from plus 3 to plus 4. Increase by 1. But there are 2 carbon. So multiplying into 2 increase by 2. So total change is 3. So equivalent mass equal to molar mass by 3. Option 1. In this question, we have to calculate equivalent mass of oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent undergoes reduction, that is decrease in oxidation number. That is conversion of HClO3 to Cl2 only. In HClO3, chlorine have plus 5. In Cl2, 0. Plus 5 becomes 0. Change in oxidation number 5. So equivalent mass equal to its molar mass given in the question 84.45 by 5. Answer A. In this question, metal oxide is completely reacted to metal chloride. So number of equivalents of metal oxide will be equal to number of equivalents of metal chloride. So we can use the equation given below, and by substituting mass of metal oxide and mass of metal chloride, we can calculate equivalent mass of metal. Here we are using the term metal oxide and metal chloride. Their number of equivalents are same. In this question, we have to calculate equivalent mass of metal sulfate. It is the sum of equivalent mass of metal and equivalent mass of sulfate. Equivalent mass of sulfate can be calculated. Molar mass of a sulfate 96 by 2, so 48. 2 is its valency. So by adding equivalent mass of metal, 12 plus 48 equal to 60. In this question, metal undergo reaction with oxygen. So number of equivalents of metal equal to number of equivalents of oxygen. We have derived an equation, equivalent mass of metal equal to mass of metal reacted by mass of oxygen reacted into 8. In this question, weight of metal is increased by 24%. So if we consider mass of metal 100, then mass of oxygen will be 24. So equivalent mass of metal can be calculated, and answer is 33.33. Since vapor density of metal chloride is given, molar mass, that is 2 into vapor density, can be calculated 132. If metal oxide contain 53% metal, then 47% oxygen, so equivalent mass of metal can be calculated, that is 9. Since valency is whole number, atomic mass of metal can only be 54 and 27 from option. If atomic mass is 54, molecular formula of metal chloride will be MCl6. Its molar mass cannot be 132. If it is 27, formula MCl3 and molar mass will be 132.